Croatia to Embark 1,410 for ships Ro-Ro and passenger ships of 22 units, 30,000 tons minimum, then upwards Italian flag. When I talk wages plus social security, then the passenger ships is 55 units. We are searching from the hotel is around 6,000 complement, of which we are searching about something like 300, which they start as piccolo in Italian language. Croatia is very close to Italy, so you know this Italian language basic training. We have a manual. We have also the company CV format, the crew inspector Candina format, and the codice fiscale, which is the Italian number for you to be employed under this collective bargaining agreement. And the wages I'm talking are net. We start in the 2,000 euros, this piccolo, this is onboard services, and then no experience required, but you need to have the seaman book. And then we have the same thing in the kitchen, 2,000 euros for galley. After a year, 2,400. Then after 18 months, 28 months total, then you could get, well, chef cook is more complicated, but the steward is 2,900 and the chef is 300. On board the Roros, the chef gets 2,600. We're also looking for a butcher, baker, and the pastry 2,600, 700 approx. Also plumber 3,200 and the fitter 3,200 and the electronic 3,000 euros and also electrician. If you're looking to take an engine, we start 3,000 euros. This AB certified STCW 2.4 or 2.5, and should you have no experience on board the Ro-Ro or passenger ships, which sometimes we accept the cruise experience, but most of the times we would ask kindly to accept the position of OS, ordinary sailor, 2,500 net. So if you come from general cargo, small bulk carriers, international waters, you want to relocate close to beautiful Croatia, then to Italy and this ship owner. If you want to go towards this ship owner fleet, which is the biggest in Europe, 37,000 tons Ro-Ros and 67,000 tons passenger ships, then there is like 2,400 take an engine and 6,000 in the catering. So calculate approx. If you need long term, if you need like a family, the ship owner family, Candina is the 5th generation. If you want to join our Candina family and look long term for promotions, #1 company in stability, financial credibility, equality. If you're a woman in Croatia, for example, this company is so big that really has very good ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency systems. Apply in Candina now. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.